And accused of charging at the U.S. Capitol with a loaded shotgun yesterday went before a judge this afternoon. Documents allege that 18-year-old Carter Camacho traveled from his home outside of Atlanta, not just with that gun, but with other tactical gear as well. He told officers he just wanted to talk to a member of Congress. Josh Chapin was in the courtroom today. And Josh, did Camacho have anything to say about all of this?
Scott, Camacho was responsive to the judge's questions today in his initial appearance. The judge asked him where he had gone to school or how much school he had done. He responded, quote, "I would be in my second semester of college." He didn't elaborate on that at all or where he went to school. The Georgia native was dressed in all camouflage today, in head-to-toe camouflage, presumably wearing the same thing that he had on yesterday. Documents 7 News obtained today give us a better timeline of events. The pictures in them are the most striking. Prosecutors allege that is Camacho with a shotgun making his way towards the west side of the Capitol down Maryland Avenue around lunchtime. As soon as he goes up the steps, a Capitol police officer approaches him and asks him what he's doing. Officers say Camacho told them he was just there to talk to a member of Congress. Investigators say the 18-year-old immediately surrendered. The documents allege the shotgun, Scott, was loaded, the safety was off, and he had another 17 rounds of ammo in a carrier. Camacho is charged with unlawful possession of a firearm on U.S. Capitol grounds. If he's found guilty, he could face 5 years in jail and a $250,000 fine. Scott, also of note here, normally a detention hearing would be just a couple of days after a crime like this. But the hearing, and Camacho waived his right for this, a hearing has been moved to March 2nd. This gives the public defender, who was just appointed today, more time to prepare. The judge told him that is the point where Camacho could present his arguments, help the public defender present arguments, and attempt to argue as to why he should be out on bond. Scott, Michelle, back to you.